In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot email delivery issues by checking your GoDaddy DNS settings, domain renewal status, and inbox storage quota. If your email is not sending or receiving properly, there are a few essential places to check before assuming there's a bigger problem. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on the most common areas that can interrupt mail flow, starting with your domain's DNS settings inside GoDaddy. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. From there, select the domain connected to the email service you're troubleshooting and go into the DNS section. This is where your mail-related records are stored, and one of the most important records to review is your MX record. MX stands for Mail Exchange, and it tells the internet where your email should be delivered. Once you're in the DNS settings, locate the MX records and confirm that they are pointing to the correct mail server. In many Microsoft 365 setups, this should point to a value similar to your domain name followed by mail protection through Outlook. The exact format may vary slightly depending on your environment, so the key is to verify that the destination matches the required mail server for your email provider. If the MX record is incorrect, missing, or pointing somewhere outdated, incoming messages may fail to arrive. While reviewing the DNS zone, take a moment to make sure there aren't any conflicting MX records that could cause mail to route unpredictably. Even if the correct record exists, an extra or incorrect one can still create problems. If you make any updates, remember that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate, so the fix may not be immediate. Next, check the renewal status of your domain. If the domain has expired, email service can stop working even if all the DNS records are configured correctly. In your GoDaddy account, confirm that the domain is active, current, and not past its renewal date. This is a simple check, but it's often overlooked. Finally, verify that the mailbox itself is not full. If the inbox storage quota has reached 100%, new emails may be rejected or fail to sync properly. Open the email account settings or storage details and confirm that there is available space. If needed, clear out unnecessary messages or archive content to free up room. By checking DNS, confirming the domain is active,